This video covers the pre-review concept of unit conversion. So, some facts to know. For the concept of unit conversion, we're talking about changing from one unit to another unit. So for example, if I was to convert feet to yards, that would be an example of unit conversion. So our hooks and quick points are as follows. Number one, big to small. This means big to small, multiply. So this means if we're going from a big unit to a small unit, we have to multiply by the conversion factor. And if we have small to big, divide. When going from a small unit to a big unit, we divide by the conversion factor. So, point 2 tells us how we're supposed to choose our conversion factor. So if we multiply or divide by the given number by the conversion factor given with the smaller unit. Okay, so that means that the conversion factor we use is whatever number is used for the smaller unit. So in this case, point 3 tells us how to decide which number this is. So the smaller unit has the bigger number. So for example, if we have 3 feet equals 1 yard, 3 feet has the bigger number. So feet is the smaller unit. That means our conversion factor is 3. And we have to note in point 4 that this method only works if the big unit has a 1 in front of it. So 3 feet to 1 yard. This is the big unit. It has a 1 in front of it. That means we can use 3 as our conversion factor. So in this example, they ask us what is the perimeter of the square below in yards. So that means we're going to have our answer in yards, but they give us our dimensions in feet. So that means we're going from feet to yards. So now we have to figure out, are we going from big to small or small to big? So we know that 3 feet is 1 yard, and we know that the number or the unit with the larger number is the smaller unit. So that means that feet is the smaller unit. So that means we're going from small to big. And when you go from small to big, you divide. So we have to divide. So we'll just remember, we have to divide. And we have to divide by the conversion factor, which is 3. So we divide by 3. So that means we have to change 6 feet to yards. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So that means 6 feet is equal to 2 yards. So now they ask us to find the perimeter of the square, and the perimeter is found by adding all the sides of a figure together. So a square has all equal sides, and it has 4 sides. So that means we can do 2 yards times 4, and that gives us 8 yards. And that is answer choice A. Hope that helps.